Hello everyone, this is Winnie Tai from Double Bond Chemical. Through this video, we would like to introduce our technology of inkjet printing on leather application. Here's an outline of the content. We will go through a brief introduction of leather categories, our total solutions to inkjet printing, including suggested materials and equipment. Lastly, we will share how this printed leather could be applied and connected with our daily life. There are two major types of leather, which are natural leather and synthetic leather. Natural leather is made of animal skin or hide, based on the layer where it is located originally. It can be further divided into full grain, top grain, and genuine leather, which is shown on the top left picture. Natural leather is featured by its outstanding texture and durability. But due to the complicated and time-consuming manufacturing process, synthetic leather, such as polyurethane and polyvinyl chloride with fabric, is also widely used for economical concerns and its lightness. Moreover, embossing treatment can even make synthetic leather hard to be distinguished from natural leather. For inkjet printing solutions on leather, we came up with two eco-friendly methods, which are water-based pigment inks and UV curable inks. Compared with traditional solvent-based system or screen printing process, these two inkjet printing systems have less pollution, such as volatile organic compounds and wastewater. Also, its manufacturing process is much simpler, time and energy saving. Therefore, the relevant materials such as primers or top coats, we all focus on developing water-based and UV curable systems. Let's start with the water-based pigment inks. This flow chart shows the basic procedure. Firstly, depending on the condition of the leather, sometimes we may need to apply primer by roller or spray coating before inkjet printing, in order to enhance ink adhesion and coloration by filling the hair pores or any uneven surface of leather. And then, select the pattern, print it, and followed by baking. This is a necessary process for color fixation. Without this process, the color fastness can be poor. Top coating process is not mandatory. Customer can choose to apply top coat for further protection based on their requirements. This table shows the basic and special colors we have for water-based pigment inks, containing yellow, orange, magenta, red, cyan, black, violet, and green. Color fastness is an important property to evaluate inks, and the color fastness of each color can all reach up to 4th grade, including light fastness, washing fastness, and rubbing fastness. Let's move on to UV curable inks. We have basic color including cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, and clear varnish. Sometimes we also need to apply primer for better adhesion to substrates that are hard to adhere, such as metals or glasses. After printing, the ink undergoes UV curing process, which can convert liquids into solids by cross-linking reaction under UV radiation. As you may know that UV curable materials such as monomers, oligomers, and photoinitiators are our featured products, and they are all essential elements for ink formulations. So, It is our strength to further develop UV ink formulations to reach different or customized requirements, because we are very familiar with our own materials. As we have mentioned that sometimes primer is needed to enhance adhesion or coloration due to the uneven leather surface. Although solvent-based system is common, we chose to develop water-based systems based on environmental concerns. The major difference between the listed two grades is viscosity, so that customer can choose either roller coating or spray coating based on the equipment they have. For top coats, they can be applied to provide protection. Thus, durability and abrasion resistance can be enhanced. We also developed both UV and water-based systems. And the major difference besides viscosity is the surface effect. Customer can select either glossy or matte effect according to their preference. When it comes to feature and quality, there are four major test methods listed to ensure the flexibility, abrasion resistance, adhesion, and light fastness. Among them, the standard of flexometer test is at least 100,000 cycles for leather applied on footwear. And we are very proud to say that our products can reach these strict requirements. For the printheads, these are some of the commonly used printhead brands. Kyocera is one of the leading printhead manufacturers with outstanding performance for print speed and stability. Importantly, our inks are approved by Kyocera, so this ensures our ink quality. We can help customers to select appropriate printheads based on their demand and the printhead specification. For the printer selection, flatbed is commonly used for leathers, but for those synthetic leather which may be lighter and softer, roll-to-roll type is also workable. Although we do not manufacture printers, we have strong and long-term partnership with printer manufacturers, such as ATEX from Malaysia and Homer from China. This helps us provide a total solution to inkjet printing, and we will further explain in later slides. The application of inkjet printed leather can be various, such as footwear, handbag, bike cushion, or other accessories. You may have noticed that most of the leather goods are still unicolor because of limited techniques. So, with our established solution, life can be more colorful and delightful. To be concluded, for the application of inkjet printing on leather, we have developed a total solution instead of just providing one certain product. We can supply ink suitable for different printheads. We help choose the appropriate printers based on the demands. We have a strong research team who can assist in applying products as well as establishing manufacturing procedure. We have a professional technical service team who can establish color management, provide after-sales service, and conduct problem shooting and equipment maintenance. To sum up briefly, Double Bond Chemical is undoubtedly your best partner for inkjet printing solutions. And here is the end of our sharing. Thanks for listening. If you have further questions, please do not hesitate to reach us through the below contact information. Thank you and see you next time.